What I wish I knew about chronic kidney disease before my diagnosis. Here's the scoop on what to expect. First up, decreased kidney function. Over time, your kidneys might struggle to filter waste and excess fluids, which can lead to kidney failure. Next, fluid retention. Swelling in your legs, ankles, and feet can become a daily challenge. High blood pressure is another common issue. CKD can either cause or exacerbate hypertension, making it crucial to monitor your blood pressure closely. Electrolyte imbalances are also likely. This means your potassium, sodium, calcium, and phosphate levels can go haywire, leading to serious health concerns. Then there's anemia. Your kidneys produce a hormone that helps create red blood cells. With CKD, this process slows down, causing fatigue and weakness. CKD also increases your risk of cardiovascular disease. Heart attacks, strokes, and heart failure become more likely. Bone and mineral disorders can occur, weakening your bones and increasing fracture risks. Feelings of fatigue and weakness are common as waste products build up in your body. Proteinuria, where protein leaks into your urine, is a clear sign your kidneys are in trouble. Lastly, if CKD progresses to end-stage renal disease, dialysis or even a kidney transplant might be necessary. Managing CKD early is vital. Lifestyle changes, medication, and regular checkups can make a huge difference. Take control of your health today.